KPIX 5 is marking our 70th anniversary, the Bay Area's first television station, and we'll bring you a look back at some of the stories we've covered through the years.
Kind of a flashback. Our archives are filled with stories about Bay Area's bridges. This week, in 1985, Kate Kelly reported on what it's really like to be a toll taker.
The job of being a toll taker is not without its risks. When you average 120,000 cars a day on the Bay Bridge, you're bound to meet some unusual individuals.
They're all weirdos. They're all weirdos.
There are 72 full-time toll takers on the Bay Bridge. They spend an average of 6.5 hours in the booth each day.
Hi there. Thanks. Nice lot.
Barbara Williams has run against a lot of things in her 16 months as a toll taker on the Bay Area's busiest bridge. Some things she wasn't prepared for.
For people to hand you the money and then curse you out.
A lot of crazy things happen. A lot of them.
Howard Jackson says he's seen them all.
I was given a balloon coming through the lane and was told to pop it later. So I burst it, and inside was a card with a name on it.
Oh, that sounds kind of romantic.
Oh, it is, but it was a guy, though.
Conversations between shifts are often highlighted with strange stories on the job.
4 women coming down my lane, no clothes on, topless. And I sat there and looked, I go, oh my God, what am I gonna do? I just asked for my 75 cents.
Most stories can be laughed about, but because things could become dangerous, the toll takers are constantly watched. There are also alarm systems in every booth. But it is the challenge of dealing with the best and worst the Bay Area has to offer that keeps them coming back.
Thank you.
In Oakland, Kate Kelly, Channel 5, Eyewitness News.
Okay, just for comparison, there are more than 200 toll takers today, and the cost to cross, $6 at peak commute times, and it's going up. We're posting our archive stories on our website in the KPIX 70th anniversary section.